Hey everybody, welcome back to Laser Engraving 911. So I bet you thought that all the cool online laser engraving educational events were over for this year. Well, guess again, because there's an amazing one right around the corner. It's called JPP Fest 2025, hosted by none other than Johnson Plastics Plus, one of my favorite suppliers for laser engraving blanks and raw laser engraving material for my shop. And I am stoked to be a part of it. Let me tell you what it's all about. All right, so this event's going down October 7th and 8th. I'll list a link in the description below, and it is packed full of speakers, workshops, insider knowledge from people who live and breathe this industry every single day. So if you ever wanted to take your laser engraving business or your crafting business to a new level, this is an event you're not gonna wanna miss. So JPP Fest is holding a plethora of speakers and educators and people you know in this space. Speakers like Alex from Laser Everything, Josh Evans from Lone Star Adhesive, Kim and Garrett, the dynamic crafting duo, so awesome. Betsy Flores from Amore to Create, Samita Patel from Homebound Custom Decor, and of course, yours truly from Laser Engraving 911. It is going to be amazing. And if that's not enough, this event is backed by some huge sponsors like Epilogue, Glowforge, Rowmark, Unisub, and so much more, bringing expertise, tons of giveaways, and tons of extra value. It's going to be exciting.
Welcome to the Circus of Value!
So, you're probably wondering what I'll be teaching at JPP Fest 2025. Well, let me tell you. So what are you teaching, Michael? You might be asking. Well, let me tell you. So my presentation's all about an amazing product by Rowmark called LaserMax. I'm going to share my industry secrets on how I have used this material for over a decade to make so much money. This material doesn't cost much and it has so many different uses, whether it's industrial name tags, making decals, these are some great bloopers. Whether it's decals, whether it's custom outdoor or indoor signages, or any kind of decor, this material has so many uses and it can yield you some seriously nice profits. I'll share with you some real world examples, show you how I work with the material, and also share my pricing strategies so you can start using this amazing material today after you're done watching my class. So if you're a medium to large or small laser engraving business, or you're just doing a side hustle, this class is going to be very eye-opening when it comes to working with this product, and I think you'll be pretty blown away by the kind of revenue that you can make using LaserMax. All right, so here's the best part. When you get the Plus Pass, link in the description below, and it's on sale right now, you not only get access to my session and everybody else's session, but you actually get access beyond that after the event has passed to 6 live workshop replays, 17 plus pre-recorded trainings, industry tips, bonus content, exclusive giveaways, including your shot at 500 JPP bucks to use at Johnson Plastics Plus. Dang. And if you guys get the early bird pricing before October 6th, you only have to pay $55 for it, less than the cost of a sheet of LaserMax, which coincidentally can make you hundreds of dollars. So listen, if you're serious about leveling up your laser engraving business, your crafting business, your side hustle, you definitely don't want to miss this event, and you definitely don't want to miss that Plus Pass. And you definitely don't want to miss that Plus Pass pricing going on right now. Join me over at JPP Fest 2025 for an amazing event with other makers like yourself, other educators, and let's find ways to unlock more profits for our business. Hey, I enjoy these classes just as much as you do, and the lineup is amazing. I've listed links in the description of this video below so you know all about the event, how to get tickets, and don't sleep on that $55 price for that Plus Pass, because trust me, after October 6th, the price gets a little bit spicy. So until then, we'll see you around on Laser Engraving 911.